Now in this example, we'll see how to write a while loop in Python. So let us consider displaying numbers from 1 to 20 using while loop. So in order to display numbers from 1 to 20, each and every number like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 19, 20. So to do this, what we can do exactly here is we need initialization statement, and then we need conditional expression, and also we need to update the loop variable. Okay, so these are the three basic components that are required while writing or working with the loops. Okay, especially while loop, isn't it? So let us consider the loop variable here, I. An initial value of I is 1 because I am trying to display numbers from 1 to 20. So this while loop must be iterating till value of I becomes 20. So while I is less than or equal to 20, then we can display value of I. Okay, so we can display value of I, and after displaying I value, we have to increment the I value because we are trying to move I value from 1 to 2, then 2 to 3 and 3 to 4 and so on like this. So it has to increment by 1. That's why we can write I is equal to I plus 1. Okay. And that's it. This is enough, right? Okay. So this is clearly initialization. So let me write here, this is initialization, and next this is conditional expression, and this is update statement. Okay, now let's run this code and see the result. You can see the numbers are displayed from 1 to 20 clearly, isn't it? Okay, just like this. Now let's consider another program using while loop where we also write some conditions inside the while loop. Okay, so let me consider the program as display numbers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by both 4 and 5. Okay, so we need to display those numbers which are actually divisible by both 4 and 5, and these numbers are from 1 to 100. Okay, so if this is the case, then we can consider initial value. Okay, so let's see what is the initial value of the loop variable, because we are trying to iterate from 1 to 100, right? So I value must be 1 initially. Then we can consider while conditional expression as I less than or equal to 100. Okay, so in each iteration we need to check whether that I value is divisible by both 4 and 5. Then only we can display according to the given constraint. I mod 4 double equal to 0, and also I mod 5 double equal to 0. Okay, so if it is divisible by both 4 and 5, then you can say the given number is divisible by both 4 and 5, and we can display the number, right? Okay, so now I'll print value of I, end is equal to like this. Okay, so to move from 1 to 2, 2 to 3 like this, we have to increment I value by 1. I is equal to I plus 1. Okay, so let's run this code and see the result. You can see these are the numbers 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. These are the numbers which are divisible by both 4 and 5 and are lying in the range of 1 to 100. Okay, like this you can also include some conditions inside the while loop. Okay, you can make use of if statement, also if else statement like this. Okay, So we'll see another example using while loop. Okay. So the example is count the number of digits in the given value. Okay. So you are given a value and you need to count how many digits are there. Let us suppose consider a number like 231. So this number has got a total of 3 digits, right? So we need to count how many digits are there in the given number. Okay. So for this purpose, you need to read the number. First of all, num is equal to int of input of enter any value. Okay. So once you enter the value, now you can check or count how many digits are there in this particular number. Okay. So I'll take initial value of count is equal to 0. Okay. And we can write a while loop where this number is greater than 0. Till that point, I'll iterate this block of statements to be executed. Okay. So first I'll increment the count value, that is count plus is equal to 1. And later you need to divide this number with 10. Okay. So which means you are counting one digit and removing that particular digit from the number. Okay. So finally you can display the total number of digits in the given number. Okay. Number of digits in the given number. Okay. So that count we can display using this variable count. Let's run this code and see the result. So I'm giving input as 123 and let's see the output is number of digits in the given number is 3. Now let's run with a different value like 56743. So 56,743 is input and you can see number of digits in the given number is 5. Okay. So this is how you can start implementing a while loop. Okay.